We've got a quick and easy supper tonight, y'all. We just got back from Walmart not long ago. Me and Titus ran up there real quick, and y'all, they've put out more Christmas stuff. Not only in the regular sections, but also in the grocery department. They have Grinch holiday jammies. Those are adorable. They say, go Grinch or go home. They're $17.48 for men's and women's. They also have some deer foam ones with the bear. It says Papa, Little Bear, Baby Bear. That's adorable. These are also $17.48. So they have Papa, Mama, Little, and Baby. Oh, and they even have a doggy thing. And they have these holiday time ones. Oh, it says Forced Family Fun on it. They're $14.98. Holiday scents. Now, we'll move on to the food section. I was just getting laundry detergent, but those pajamas got me off track. Ritz has some cute holiday crackers. There's snowmen, Christmas tree, Santa, and bells. Those are cute. $3.88. Fudge covered Ritz. Oreo Joy. Oh look, Tate's Bake Shop has some cookie bark, dark chocolate with peppermint. Chips Ahoy hot cocoa cookies. Then you know it's Christmas when Santa's on the Coca-Cola cases. They have holiday tortilla chips, red and green. Great value. I can't tell the price. $2.24 looks like. I think this is new. Kinder's Homestyle Stuffing Mix, brown butter and herbs, and Butcher's Brine Kit. They're the only flavors, yeah. I'm pretty sure that's new, Kinder's. Look at that French Toast Crunch. The holiday baking section, we have the Elf on the Shelf Swirl Cake Mix, Marshmallow Swirl Fudge Brownie Mix, Snickerdoodle Cookie, Sugar Cookie, Hot Cocoa Cookie. Great Value has Chocolate Chip Cookie Cake Kit, Holiday Present Brownie Kit. Those are cute. Gingerbread Man marshmallows. What? And variety Christmas trees and Santa looks like. But look at those gingerbread men. That's going on the Cocoa Station. And Frosty the Snowman. Holiday pretzel kit. How much are these? I don't know how much the pretzel kit is. These are $6.22, $6.47. Oh look, maple mini marshmallows. $1.12. The Elf on the Shelf stuff is $2.57. Holiday sprinkles galore. They have Great Value Snickerdoodle and gingerbread cookie mix, $1.96, and sugar cookie down here. Right there. Candy cane cocoa mix, cinnamon roll, pancake and waffle mix, apple cinnamon, pumpkin spice. Look at those Christmas t-shirts. Holiday Crew, Hello Kitty, and 'Tis the Season Snoopy. This is just regular baking stuff over here, but they do have some pretty utensils. Look at those. Those are pretty. And those. Ooh, and that spatula. Pretty, pretty. Oh yeah, here are the pecans. This is what I need. I'm just getting a little bag because I'm going to stock up on them at Costco. They do have Dolly's sugar cookie kit right here. And candy cane cheesecake. I need a certain type of gravy mix. Let's see if they have it. That's what I need. Pringles are feeling the holiday spirit. We got Santa ones, penguin ones, elf right there. How much are they? $2. Instant oatmeal, maple bacon flavor. Titus came with me and he's not sticking to the list. He has disappeared. I don't know where he went. He came back with this little My Mini waffle maker on clearance for $6.29, and mouthwash and something else. Oh yeah, floss picks. Oh, look at this pickle mayonnaise dressing right here. That's new. We need secret sauce. Any holiday pies over here? Christmas tree cakes? No. It's hard to find those Christmas tree cakes. These are only 96 cents. Christmas towels. Wish you a Merry Christmas. Have yourself a... Oh, lots of stuff on there. All Mama Wants is a Silent Night. Those are cute. I like this green one with the trees. Reindeer. Hey, I have a bowl that says that with a gingerbread man on it. Gingerbread house kits. They got Snoopy ones. Elf on the Shelf. M&M's. Chocolate. Starburst. I've never seen the Starburst ones before. Or Skittles. $15.96. I'm getting some more of these, y'all, because they are amazing. The Better Goods chicken wings with garlic butter dry rub. And I need some tater tots. Do we see tater tots anywhere? Oh, I found them. I almost forgot the bananas. I gotta show y'all these Christmas sweaters because they are adorable. Look at that. This one has a sparkly hat on. That is so cute. And they have this one that says Holly Jolly. This one has a lot of Christmas trees. They're $19.98. These are cute too, really soft. Farm fresh Christmas trees. Oh, look at these Better Homes and Gardens candles. They're all sparkly. Red cranberry and cherry. What is this one? Cinnamon and orange. Cinnamon buttercream. These are new. What's this one? Noble fir and pine. Cozy home. You got some of these new mainstays ones. Evergreen Mountain. Fall farmhouse. These are $4.87. Happy holidays. Starlit skies. Country holiday. Country holiday smells good. Winterberry, snowdrop petals, and cypress. Lots of new candles this year. Country holiday. How much are these? $5.97. Classic Christmas tree. Hey, that's a Goose Creek one. I was wondering if they had any Goose Creek. These are Goose Creek too. Oh look, they got Martha Stewart. Martha on the mantle. A holiday tradition. Okay. Sissy's opening up the gingerbread men marshmallows. I got them for the hot cocoa station, even though we haven't decorated yet. I was afraid these would be gone because tell me people aren't gonna buy these up. I didn't do a full haul. I mostly just got the stuff I needed for today and tomorrow. We've got Christmas music going. It's a little bit loud. So yeah, it wasn't a full grocery haul. I did get a couple candles I'll show y'all though. I got the Baking Spirits Bright one with the wood wick. This is the Packed Party brand. I don't think I've ever had one of these before, so we'll let y'all know how it does. And then I got this Country Holiday one. It's Mainstays. Now these are touch and go with the throw. But I love this jar. Look, it's like a little old-fashioned Christmas stuff everywhere with the barn. Look at them carrying that Christmas tree. Isn't that beautiful, Sissy?
Yeah.
We love it. French dip biscuits is what we're making tonight. So I have this can of biscuits. Now the recipe said you only need 1 can. I think they meant to put 2 cans instead of 1. But we're not gonna make 16 of these because I know all 16 of them won't get eaten. And these won't be good as leftovers. So what we're gonna do is make 10. Plus I have leftovers still that need to be eaten. So we're just gonna make 10 of them. And with the other 6, since I have 6 left, right? We're gonna make some chocolate ham pies. So we slice our biscuits in half just like that. We're gonna put the bottoms on the baking sheet. So I've got some roast beef here. This is not the kind I wanted, but this was the only kind Walmart had for some reason. They might have had some more in the deli section, but I didn't go over there, you know, the bakery part. So I'm just putting 2 pieces on the bottom of each biscuit. Don't tell Tyler, we're gonna make it a surprise for him.
Okay.
He loves those chocolate tarts more than anything. He loves them so much he asked for a chocolate tart, because we say tart, birthday cake. Okay, yeah, that was enough roast beef. We have a little left over. Sissy's putting on a slice of provolone cheese. You can use any kind of cheese, Swiss, mozzarella, whatever. When these are almost done, I'm gonna make up this pack of gravy right here. This will be what we dip them in. And I'm also gonna cook up some onions and we'll make up the chocolate tarts. So they only have to go in the oven for about 12 to 15 minutes. Put our biscuit tops on now, and when they get done, we'll brush them with butter. There they go. For the chocolate tarts, we're gonna start calling them chocolate tarts instead. We need unsweetened cocoa powder, and we need a little bit of sugar. That'll be enough sugar. I didn't really measure it, y'all. I'm just kind of eyeballing it. This is probably the #1 kid requested dessert, for real. #1. I don't think anything beats it. I'm trying to think. No, I don't think so. This is the #1. Out of all my children, they all request these chocolate tarts, especially Tyler. Sissy's slicing up the butter for me. The butter melts in with this chocolate and sugar and makes like the syrupy chocolatiness that is wonderful. I'm gonna put a little bit of flour down on my cutting board. So we roll them out in this pan. Oh, you already got a pan ready. Good job, Sissy. You want it to be able to close up and not overflow too much. There's usually a little overflow, but that's probably about perfect right there. And go over to one side, you know, a little bit more than the other, so you can fold it up good. Sissy's gonna put the butter. Usually about 3 or 4, yeah, about that much butter right there. So probably about a tablespoon of butter. And I would say 2 to 3 tablespoons of the chocolate in there. You seal it with the fork and it goes on the pan. absolutely wonderful. If you got mini biscuits, you could do little appetizers. That's great. Surprise! Helen Arts and Heritage Center. Would you like to purchase it for $270?
Yeah.
You gotta pay a car fine.
What?
$75, please.
It's Gru.
And it goes in the middle of the board. Titus is over there making those waffles if y'all hear that whistling noise.
Got change for 100.
Yes, I'm the bank. What's happening?
No one knows.
Thing just blowed out a bunch of eggs.
Hansel and Gretel Candy Kitchen.
Do you want to buy it?
$90. Yeah, I'll do it. What
Well,
am I
I
buying?
bid in a
The
more
Welcome
than 50.
Center. Where is it?
I was about to bid 20 after you did 10.
Where is it? Oh.
I was worried there for a second that I'm gonna make a bunch of bad investments.
You taking somebody to mini golf? Who do you want to take with you?
If she takes me, do I have
We
to
have to pay rent.
Don't
Please,
take me.
Don't take me.
Don't take me, take
Tyler.
I can't pay rent on my own.
Yeah, you don't gotta pay rent to yourself. Take
It was
Tyler's.
tough.